Hey there, coding rockstars. Welcome to Code with PK, where we turn your code from mad to wow. Today we are building something super cool, a chatbot. Yeah, your very own digital buddy who never complains, never eats your snacks, and actually listens to you. Well, sort of. We are diving into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and a sprinkle of Python to bring this bot to life. Think of it as a coding Frankenstein, but instead of saying it's alive, we will be saying it's replying. So grab your keyboards, your sense of humor, and let's create a chatbot that is smarter than that one friend who always sends as a reply. So let's move on to the screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Let's create our chatbot and in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and little bit Python. So first of all, what we can do, first of all, we do an environment setup, and environment setup means we install all the things which we needed. So first of all, you must install one text editor to write a code in it. So I hope there are three code editor is very popular. If you are Google, tell me which code editor are popular. So that Google is saying me first, in the first give me Sublime, then number 2 Notepad plus plus, then Vim. Sublime, a lightweight, fast and customized editor with syntax highlighting, multiple selection and split editing is available for Windows, Macs and Linux. Visual Studio Code, all around code editor is good for experience development. Okay, it is saying me an all-around code editor that's good for experience. So we are experienced web developer. So we go on with Visual Studio Code. So if the Visual Studio Code is available in your favorite 3 platforms by the name of Mac, Linux, or Windows. So we are downloading it in the Windows. First of all, what we can do? First of all, we write Visual Studio Code text download. So the first link as we came, download Visual Studio Code, Windows, Linux and Mac. So click on the first link, or if you are on Windows, download on Windows. If you are on Linux, download on Linux. If you are on Mac, download on Mac. I'm on Windows, so I have already downloaded it, so I did not download it one more time because I'm already downloaded it. So what I want to do it, only we go, I am going to the my Visual Studio Code. So from here I am opening it here. When I open my Visual Studio Code, so this now let me open it. It take a little bit loading, then it will be open it. So this type of one thing has been opened on your computer screen. Okay. So what you can do, first of all, install a Python. So because we are using a little bit Python, to install a Python, you only want to do it, right? Pip install Python. Then it will be start to downloading it, and if you see your Python will be already downloaded in your PC, so you write slash version Python, okay, or you write slash v in Python. Okay, you also write this type of one code. Or if you do not know how to see the version, so you go how to see version of Python. That the Google will be told you how to see the version of the Python. Okay, you see the version of the Python like this, and I'm also telling you like this. So it's aiming 3.10.11, and if I write here Python download, so it is saying me the version has became to 3.13.1, but I'm using 3.10.11, but perfect it is. Now first of all, we create a file by the name of first index.py, and I'm making this file on my music folder, and sorry, not music, I'm D drive. First of all, I make a one folder on it, and my folder name is chatbot, speaking chatterbox, speaking chatterbox. Now I am saving this file on my folder, and I'm making one more file by the name of index.html, and I'm making this file on in my folder, and now I'm making one more file by the name of style.cs. I'm making this file here, and then I'm making one more file by the name of index.js, and I'm making this file on my folder. And in the now we will be do our my all environment setup. So we only want to do it Here you write import tickintf. Then you only want to do it right here, a equals to 5 and then b equals to 10, and then print should be a comma b, and then write a def init key. Okay, so no, do not write this. Okay, you only want to do this. So come on the video HTML, and like I have told you, we add only little Python code, not many. We work on the HTML, CSS and JavaScript mode. First of all, we define doc type declaration, HTML. Then we define head section in which we link our all the files. Title. I am writing create your own chatterbox. Then we only want to do it right here, meta charge set and then UTF -8. Then we define a meta again. Name we define viewport, and then content I am defining width equals to device/width. Perfect. Now we link it rel style sheet href style.css, because this is our file name. Okay, then then I write https://cd fonts.googleapps.com/css question mark /family, then equals to roboto 400, 700, 900. Perfect. Now we only want to do it, we enter press here. Then now we define a body element. Now we and our head element, okay, because we write our all code in the head element. So now we define div, class will be card, then we define div again, and then id will be header. Then we define h1 in which we write our chatterbox, and then we define here div again, and the id of it we define message section, and we are defining id when we write our all CSS code. So this is very easy to style it, okay, in CSS. Div class message id hot, or you write, sorry, not hot, bot. Then you will be span it from here, id bot /response, then you write here hello, comma, I am listening on in on. Then when we write this all the code, now we only want to do it, we write here div one more time, id of it give the input /section, and then write input one more time, id give the input, tab write text, add a placeholder, write a type a message. So let me show you till here we have build it. So we make our file folder in our D drive. Where is our folder? Where is our folder? Speaking chatterbox. Let me open it. So it is looking like this. Now we add some more things, then it will be look better. Okay. So let's add it. Placeholder. Then when we define, now we define autocomplete. Then in autocomplete we write UFF. Then okay, not UFF off. Then autofocus will be autofocus. Then we define a div one more time. Then sorry, not div, we define button, and the button will be the class will be send, on click will be like we write, let me tell you what we can write now. So in the on click we write send message. Perfect. Now we only want to do it, we press enter. Now we define div one more time. In it we write div the class will be the circle, and then I we define in a I we define class ZMDI, then ZMDI slash mail slash send. Perfect. Now we link our CSS file. Okay, now we link our CSS file, sorry, JavaScript file. Okay, so for do this we write script, then we write seric, and my JavaScript file name is index.js, so I'm writing index.js. Save it and let me open it my window. Where is my window? So here is my file. Okay, here it is. Now when I open it, so now it is looking like this. Now let me style it using CSS. So let's style it using CSS. So let's style it. So first of all, to style it, first of all, font size will be 1.3 VW I will give, and font family I give like Poppins, comma sans serif. Now we only want to do it, we write HTML, then slash scroll bar 86 slash ff. Now here we write slash thumb A6. In it we write hashtag 90A4AE. Now when we write it, so now let me tell you what we can do now. So let's write our CSS code. So when we write this type of code, first of all we do BG, and here we also write BG. Perfect. Now when we do this all the things, so now we will be enterprise now. Down we write body, in it we write background, only background, not background color, hashtag CCC. Now body.card, in it I write height should be 45 VW, width 35 VW. Perfect. Now I write background color should be white, and margin left I'm writing like margin left I think you write the 30 VW. Margin top I'm giving 5 VW. Box shadow should be 2 VW, 12 VW, 3 VW. Hashtag CCC. Now body.card and slash header. Height of it I am writing 3 VW or 5 VW. If you want to write 5 VW, so it is alright. Background color give the black, means I have only write background. Hashtag 000 means black. Add a padding 0 VW. Body.card hashtag header h1. Give it to be color shall be hashtag FFF. Font size give to the 2 VW, and font family give to the like Poppins, comma sans serif, and padding should be 1 VW also. Perfect. Now you only want to do it, right? Body.card hashtag slash message slash section slash webkit slash scroll bar. Add width should be 10 pixels. Then body.card one more time. Right here hashtag message slash section. Height add will be 30 VW. Padding at 0. Paddings will be I think 20 or 2.5 VW. Overflow wise will be auto I think, and scroll bar width should be give the thin. Scroll bar color add it to be var / thumb BG. Add a var / scroll bar PG. Perfect. Now we only want to do it, right? Body.card hashtag message slash section slash webkit slash scroll bar slash track. Add a background on it, only background and background color. Var hashtag slash background scroll bar BG. Now you only want to do it, right here body.card hashtag message slash section slash webkit slash scroll bar slash thumb. Now in here you only want to do it, background color should be var / thumb BG. Border radius should be 6 pixels. Add a border 3 pixels. Solid var / scroll bar bg body dot card slash message slash section slash pod comma body dot card slash message section slash user. In it, give to the position relative, bottom 0, min height 1.5 VW, border 0.15 VW, solid hashtag 777. Background color, give to the hashtag FFF, background radius, border radius should be 0 pixels, 1.5 VW, 1.5 VW, 1.8 VW. Padding 1 VW, margin at will be 15 VW0. Body dot card slash message slash section slash user. In it you write border 1.5 pixels, solid hashtag 000. Then you only want to do it, you only want to write here like okay. Now you only want to do it, write here border radius 1.5 VW, 0 VW, 1.5 VW, 1.8 VW. Add the background color hashtag 00. Now float should be right. Add a body dot card slash message slash section slash user slash response should be color hashtag. Add a color into hashtag FFF. Now body dot card slash message slash section dot message. Now add a color should be hashtag 000. Now add a clear should be both. Now add line height 1.2 VW, font size 1.2 VW, padding 8 pixels, position relative, margin 8 pixels will be 0, max width 35%. Now perfect. Add now you want to do it, you only want to do it like here you write words wrap, break word, z index will be 2. Now body dot card slash input slash section, z index will be 1, padding 0 should be 2.5 VW, add display should be flex, flex direction should be row, align item should be flex and not start, okay. And then overflow should be hidden, not overflow x should be hidden, only overflow should be hidden. Height should be 6 VW and give the space from here, width 100%. Now let me show you how till here we built it. So we built it here, let me save and run. So till here we have built it, here you can see. Now let me style it more, okay. Body dot card slash input slash section should be input, color hashtag 000, min width 0.5 VW, outline none, height 5 VW, width 26 VW, border top should be none, border left should be none. Now border right should be none. Now border bottom should be solid, hashtag 000, 0.1 VW. Body, now you write body here, dot card dot send. Background, we add background will be transparent and the border will be 0. Cursor at the pointer and flex will be 0 0, should be auto. Margin left should be 1.4 VW and margin right should be 0 VW. Padding should be 0, position should be relative, outline should be none. Now enter press. Now here we write body again, then dot card dot sand dot circle. Now position should be relative, width should be 4.8 VW, then height should be 4.8 VW. Now display should be flex, and then align item should be center, and justify content should be also be centered. Now add body.card.sand then dot circle I. In it give the font size 3 VW, margin left minus 1 VW, margin top should be 1 VW. Now save it and then run it. So now it is looking very beautifully now. Here you can see it. But my icon has been not came, so let me see why icon has been not came. Okay, my one icon has been not came, so let's see why the icon has been not came. So first of all, we only want to do it when we write that all the things. We write here a link rel style sheet https://cdn js dot iconic /font /2.1.2 css material design iconic font dot min dot css. Save it and then run it. So let's see why the icon has been not came. Now when we write this all the things are now perfect. A div class is mid mail send. We write zmid then zmdi mail send. Now we write that all the things, so div circle and then okay, we write out all the thing, but let me see, iconic font, and then we write this type of things like a Cloudflare. Then okay, I understand it. We write cdn.js, then we do not write. Okay, remove this all the things. Right here https then //cdn dot cdn js dot cloudflare.com /ajax /libs /material then /design then /iconic /font /2.1.2 then /css then material then write /design /iconic /font dot min dot css. Save and then run. So the icon has been came now. Here you can see it like that. So now when we do this all the things, so now we define our JavaScript code, and in JavaScript code we write our all the data. Okay, like which type of data, let me explain you, like const user message like equals to, like you write here hi comma how or hey comma and then hello. Then when you do this, so you only want to do it right here, this, erase it, write this, now perfect. Now right here share comma yes comma then no. Then right here again comma, then right here are you going, right are you going, then comma, then right here sorry, are you genius, right here are you genius, right here are you nerd, then right here are you intelligent. Then right here I hate you, then right here I don't like you. Then right here how are you, Then right here, how is life? Then right here, how are things? And then right here, how are you doing? Then right here, now perfect. Now define one more time. Right here, how is Karuna? Corona. Then write how is COVID-19 space. Then right here, how is COVID-19 situation. Then right here, now right here, what are you doing? Right here, what is going on? Right here, what is up? Now then you only want to do it right here. How old are you? Then who are you? Then right here, are you human? Then right here, are you bot? Are you human or bot? Then right here again, you write here, who created you? Who made you? Who is your creator? Define one more time. Then when you do this all the thing, you only want to do it enter press. Then right here, your name please. Your name. Then right here, may I know your name? Then right here, what is your name? Then write what call yourself. Okay, now you only want to do it right here. I love you. Then right here, happy, comma, good. Right here, fun. Right here, wonderful. Right here, fantastic. Right here, cool. Right here, very good. Now right here, now bad, bored, and then tired. Now right here, now help me. Then right here, tell me a story. Right here, tell me joke. Then right here, okay. Right here, okay. Right here, choice. Right here, welcome. Perfect. Now we define our all the database. Now we only want to do it. We see how now we see we run it and see how it is looking. Okay, so run it and hi. So why it is not saying? So let me see and let me do all the thing what we do it. So let's do it. So when we write our all the code, so now we save it from here, and I changed the font from here. Okay, I changed it a little app. I changed the font to the Appleyogi sans serif. Okay, now save it, and then when I run it from here, now run. So now it is looking like this, but it is not running because I give my file name should be style.cs, save and run. Now it is looking like this. Now when I write hi, so now it say do not press enter, press it here from here. Why it is not running? Hi.
Hello.
Now it is saying hello. Now if you say one more time hi, so it give you a different answer.
Hey.
Now you can see it. Now how are you?
Fantastic. How are you?
Fine.
Hey, I'm listening.
Okay.
Tell me about yourself.
I am Rayan.
Hey, I'm listening.
Who are you?
I am a bot. What are you?
Woman.
Same here, dude.
You are woman or pot?
Same here, dude.
You are pot?
Ask something else.
Tell me a story.
What about?
I love you.
I love you too.
Here you can see it. If I say, who created you?
Subitakapu Sammy.
You can see it. Or you can also be change the name from here. Let me show you. From where? Where it is. So we find that, then we'll be change the name, okay? So let me see there. Where is this? Now let's come. Okay, I'm not finding it. So let me see. What I eat today.
Ask something else.
What I eat today.
Dude.
What?
Dude.
What?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Okay.
Tell me a story.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay. Now when I come here, so I'm saying him, are you bot?
I am just a bot.
Okay. Now I'm saying him, who is your creator?
Subitakapu Sammy.
Now, if I name your name, please. If I say your name.
I don't have a name.
Okay. Now, if I say wonderful.
Have you ever felt bad?
Tired.
What? You shouldn't.
Help me.
Once upon a time.
Okay. Okay.
Tell me about yourself.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Now, what should I, if I say, what should I eat today?
Burger.
Okay, so now it is saying me burger. So, bro, now I'm.
Dude.
Why?
Yes.
COVID-19, if I say COVID-19.
Please stay home.
Okay, you are, now I'm saying you are funny. You are funny.
Glad to hear it.
So here you can see it. Now I'm writing, I'm tired. Now I'm saying him should be getting better. There's some getting better there.
Same here, dude.
So here you can see it. Now if I write here, so you can, it is giving me this type of one outputs. So if I write how is life?
Fine. How are you?
Fine. So you can
Ask
see like
something
that.
else.
You can create your own chatbot, okay, and you will be chatted very easily. If I write I love you,
Me too.
who is your girlfriend, or you can add here, or here you can add a very
Dude.
very big data, so you will be chatted big. Okay, I do not add many type of data, so that's why it is not print, giving me the answer of my any questions. That's why, because I do not add a data, and many data I write only add a little bit data, so that's why. So if I write hi, it should give me the output. Then if I say how are you, so give me the
Pretty
output.
well.
Then if
How
I
are
write
you?
if I write fine,
Same
should
here,
give, so if
dude.
if I write what should I eat today, so it give me the output.
Burger.
What should I eat today? So now it is giving me
Burger.
Here you can see it. Okay.
Tell me a joke.
What type of joke? So here you can see like that you will
Hey,
be
I'm listening.
do this. You will be chat with your your own chatbot. So like that. So if you enjoy this video, so please like this video, share, friend, and this is responsive also. Okay, if it in responsive, it is looking also very beautiful. So like that, you create your own speaking chatter box. Okay, so if you enjoy this video, so like, share, and subscribe. So I give you the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's come on to the big screen and let's give the outro of this video. That is for today coding adventure. Now you know how to build a cool stuff like a chatbot, art, stuff that makes your projects stand out like a shining star. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more coding fun. Keep coding, keep learning, and don't worry about bugs. They are just little challenges to make you stronger. See you in the next video. Bye bye.